Guys, just look at this channel for a second. This channel uploaded only 16 videos, and with just those 16 videos, it has already gained more than 100,000 subscribers. And the most shocking part is this channel hasn't even completed one full month since it was started. Now look at this. The most popular video on this channel has 25 million views, and that video was uploaded just 10 days ago. Not just that, almost every single video on this channel has more than 100,000 views. And no, this is not just one lucky channel. There are many channels exactly like this. Channels that uploaded only a few videos and still managed to gain hundreds of thousands, even millions of subscribers. Now let me tell you something important. I also started a channel in this exact same niche, and even on my very first video, I got really good views. And within just 10 days, that channel got monetized. So I'm not telling you something that I haven't tested myself. I'm telling you something that actually works. Right now, this niche is extremely trending. And if you start working in this niche right now, not after 1 month, not after 6 months, but right now, you can also start earning within 10 days. And I'm not talking about a small or useless amount of money. I'm talking about a good, serious amount of income. So if you're thinking, I'll do this later, then you're already making a mistake. Don't miss this opportunity. Start creating these types of videos from today itself. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create these kinds of videos, not paid, not limited, but completely free, unlimited, and without putting in too much hard work. So now, let's begin. And I'll show you step by step, from start to finish, how you can create these videos by yourself. First of all, the most important thing you need is a story. So here, I generate my story using ChatGPT. I've already explained my story idea here. You can explain your own story idea in the same way. And if you don't have any story ideas right now, don't worry. You can simply watch a few similar videos on YouTube. And after watching them, you'll automatically start getting story ideas. Once you have a rough idea, you can come back here and explain your story to ChatGPT. So I explained my story here and pressed enter. I personally needed a short story for this video, but if you want, you can also generate a long story using the same method. Now that our story is ready, we need image prompts for every single scene of this story. You just need to paste this prompt. If your story requires specific characters, you can upload their images as reference images. In my case, I uploaded the images of the brother puppy and the sister puppy. For the remaining characters, ChatGPT automatically creates the prompts by itself. Now you'll notice one thing here, the prompts are good, but the characters are not described in enough detail. So next, we tell ChatGPT, I want detailed character descriptions. After that, we also generate an image style prompt. So you simply tell ChatGPT, give me an image style prompt. Now let's move to our first automation tool. Go to Google and search for AutoWhisk extension. Open the website. First, you need to install the extension. If you see remove from Chrome, that means it's already installed. Otherwise, you'll see add to Chrome. Just click it and install the extension. After installation, click on the extension, then click on AutoWhisk, and then click Go to Whisk. Now you'll see an interface like this. Here, you need to paste your image prompts. There are a few settings here as well. For example, if you enable this option, AutoWhisk will automatically download the images after generating them. You can also select the language here. Now, go back to ChatGPT and convert all your image prompts into TXT format. Simply type, give me all story prompts in TXT form. Press enter. Now you can see all the prompts are available in TXT format. Copy all of them. Go back to AutoWhisk and paste them here. Scroll down a little and you'll see the Start button. Click on Start. You'll see two options. The first option is Create New Project, which will generate images in a new project. The second option is Run on this project, which will generate images in the same project. I select the second option because I want all images in the same project. Now you can see AutoWhisk has started generating images automatically. But here's a problem. The characters are not consistent and the outfits are also not consistent. Don't worry, I have a solution for this. First, stop the image generation. Now click on Add Image. Take a screenshot of the type of image style you want, go to the Style section, and upload that image there. Next, go to the Subject section. Here, upload your character images. I upload the brother puppy and sister puppy images here. Now we need the third character, which is the rich puppy. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the rich puppy's character description, paste that description here. You'll notice that AutoWhisk generates multiple characters in one image. So unselect the unnecessary characters, generate again. Now you'll see, it generates only one character, and this character looks perfect for our villain role. Click on the plus icon and add this character. After adding all characters, right-click on all the character images. Now, all your characters will remain fully consistent. Now click Start again, select the second option. Now you can see images are generating automatically with full character consistency and with the exact image style we wanted. At this point, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if this video helps you even a little, make sure to comment below. Now you can see all images are generated, all characters are consistent, and all images are automatically downloaded. Now we need to animate these images. So go back to ChatGPT and type, "Now I need animated prompts for all of these image prompts, and the emotion should be according to each scene." Press enter. Now you'll see ChatGPT generates animated prompts, well, in TXT format and without any headings. Now to animate the images, we use our second automation tool. Go to Google, search for AutoMeta extension, open the website. The interface is very similar to AutoWhisk. Install the extension, click on it, then click AutoMeta, and then go to Meta. Here, you can paste all animation prompts at once. There are some settings here. You can enable automatic download. There's also a language option, but currently only 2 languages are available. Now go to the control section. Paste all your animated prompts here. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the animated prompts, and paste them here. Below that, you'll see image list in blue color. Click on Select Multiple Images. Select all the images you want to animate. Go to the Whisk folder. AutoWhisk generates 2 images per prompt, so choose the better image and delete the rest. One very important thing you must remember, you must upload the images in the correct sequence. If the sequence is wrong, the animation will also be wrong. So I delete all unnecessary images. Then I select the images from bottom to top to maintain the correct sequence. After selecting all images, click on Start. Now the images will start animating automatically, and at the same time, they'll also download automatically. As you can see, all images are now animated. The animation is smooth, scene accurate, emotion accurate, and fully downloaded. If you feel this process can make your work even slightly easier, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now open your favorite video editor. I'm using CapCut. Arrange all animated clips scene by scene, add background music. I'm teaching you only the video creation process, but if you want, you can also add sound effects according to each scene. Edit the video however you like, and now the video is complete. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which trending niche you want the next tutorial on. So, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.